Good afternoon, Van Buren County. I'm Greg Wilson, Van Buren County Mayor. Along with me today is Mickey Robson, Mayor of the City of Spencer. I'm going to read our emergency management proclamation that I originally done on March the 14th in an emergency meeting with the Van Buren County Commission. Whereas the governor of the state of Tennessee and TEMA have declared a statewide emergency and activated emergency management plans for the state based upon the COVID-19 novel coronavirus pandemic. And whereas through various executive orders, proclamations, and bulletins, the governor has established, modified, extended, or temporarily suspended various activities of citizens and business entities, rules and regulations governing assembling, rules, and regulations given governmental bodies, licenses, and the like, all as required to protect the health and safety of the citizens of the state, and to facilitate efforts to eliminate the migration of this virus to healthy and unaffected individuals. And whereas, in order to provide effective and orderly governmental control and a coordination of emergency operations during the COVID-19 novel coronavirus pandemic emergency, the County Mayor of Van Buren County hereby issues this proclamation as to develop an emergency management plan for Van Buren County, which is coordinated and consistent with TEMA and the governor's directives. Now therefore, Greg Wilson, County Mayor for Van Buren County, Tennessee, hereby declares the existence of an emergency in Van Buren County due to the COVID-19 novel coronavirus pandemic, and hereby activates an emergency management plan for Van Buren County, coordinated and consistent with TEMA emergency management plan and executive orders, proclamations, and bulletins of the governor. This proclamation shall apply to all citizens and activities within the territorial limits of Van Buren County and the geographical boundaries of the city of Spencer. In accordance with TCA 58-2-110, this proclamation shall authorize expenditure of funds and/or the execution of contracts necessary to obtain and distribute equipment, materials, and supplies for emergency management purposes to provide for the health and safety of persons and properties, to direct and coordinate plans to provide for the health and safety of persons and properties, to appoint, employ, remove, or provide coordinators, rescue teams, fire and police personnel, and other emergency management workers, to establish a primary and one or more secondary emergency operating centers to provide continuity of government and direction and control of emergency operations, to assign and make available offices and agencies, including employees, property, or equipment thereof relating to firefighting, engineering, rescue, health, medical, and related services, to request state assistance, to incur obligations, and to perform all public work, taking whatever put in action is necessary to ensure safety and welfare of the community. This proclamation shall remain in effect for 7 consecutive days. We've done this on March the 14th in an emergency meeting with the County Commission, and I have renewed this for 7 days, and we'll continue to renew this for 7 days continually until this emergency is over. In doing that, the governor yesterday ordered Executive Order 22 and also Executive 21, which was done a couple of days ago. What I've done is I put both of those executive orders by the governor that is explaining essential and non-essential businesses. And I've had a lot of questions so far this morning in conversations. We have placed that upon our website at vanburencountytn.com. Those orders are there. Just follow the link and you can look and see if you're a business owner, you can look and see if your business is essential or non-essential. But we ask you, if you notice there, that anything that is not essential, that you close. And that is effective tonight at 11:59 p.m. One other thing I want to cover real quick is about our trash collection in our convenience centers. We've had a lot of issues with that over the last couple of weeks, and I ask your patience again to work with us with that. If you have your trash, we are placing at two containers at every site. to be able to use. On Saturdays, beginning this Saturday, we will be having an attendant there from 8 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock. That attendant will not come out of the building. He will not assist you, he or she will not assist you with disposing of your trash. He will point where you need to take it to, but they will be open on Saturdays. And we encourage you to use that on Saturday as much as possible. Please do not put your trash outside any bin. Those are there for you and your convenience. Also too, testing is being done from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock at our local health department here in Spencer, Tennessee. You can go there and be tested anytime during that time. One thing that we need to look at is seasonal allergies. A lot of people during this time have seasonal allergies. And they ask us, if you are experiencing that and have never experienced seasonal allergies before, you need to go get tested. Our testing is very low in Van Buren County, and I urge you to go get tested. If you want to be tested, you have to be. They have to test you. A couple of weeks ago, our president said anybody that wanted to be tested would be tested. And I encourage you to do so if you feel necessary. At this time, I'm going to turn this over. One other thing, I'm sorry. The health department number is 946-2438, which is, of course, area code 931. Also, too, if you need any help, we're making those calls throughout the entire county. If you need any help with anything, please call 931-946-3590. That number right now is the 3590 number is good from 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock. You can leave a message or you can email us at vbcrisis@yahoo.com. This time now I'm going to turn it over to City Mayor Mickey Robinson.
Thanks, Greg. Listen, we are here with the county to work with the county, anything we can do. We're here for our citizens in the city to help with the safety, for our people, for our assistance. Listen, guys, if you're sick, just please stay home. If you have a mask or gloves, these are preventative measures that you can take to help all of us get through this situation. We're here any way that we can to help. You can call out City Hall at 946-2351. In addition, I would like for our residents to know that we are here for you. Anything that we can do, if you need any assistance, please call. We'll do our best. Lastly, I would like to say, remember that this situation will get better the more that we all practice safe measures and the quicker that we can get over this coronavirus. Thank you so much. Like I said again, if there's anything I can do, please give us a call at City Hall at 946-2351. Thanks.